Tired of sharing just videos or photos on your post? Want to try something new that will catch the attention of your followers and encourage them to engage with your post? Try incorporating your own audio clip to create animated videos. You know, something like this.
Here are our specials for the month of May. A 60-minute massage.
It'll help you keep things interesting, and it's actually pretty easy to do. And you guessed it, in today's video, I'm not only going to show you how to create these animated videos with your own audio clip, but I'm going to give you a couple of examples of how you can use it to market your own products and services. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel or following me on Facebook, because every week I release a new marketing video. And hey, if a weekly video just isn't enough for you and you want more marketing information and news, then sign up for my weekly email list. Every Thursday, I'll hit your inbox with more information that could help you market and grow your business. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to use your own audio clip to create an animated video. But wait, what's that you say? Vivian, I don't have a podcast. Guys, it's okay. Even though we most commonly see audio clips used to promote podcasts, let's think outside the box. You guys can really use these animated videos and audio clips to promote any of your products and services. Here, let me give you 3 examples of how you can apply this to your business. Example number 1. You're a restaurant owner. Pick a day of the week and use it to promote that day's special. Sharing an animated video with an audio clip consistently on the same day of the week will allow you to build some expectation over how you deliver, let's say, the Sunday specials.
Tonight's special, Mama Sunday Gravy. Our homemade meatballs, Italian sausage, and herb roasted pork in a bolognese sauce over spaghetti, just like Grandma made.
Example number 2. You're a massage therapist. At the beginning of the month, share your animated video with an audio clip to introduce your monthly specials. You can add as much or as little description as you'd like.
Here are our specials for the month of May. A 60-minute massage with dry brushing exfoliation. Typically a $160 value, but this month on sale for $79.
Example number 3. You're a physical trainer. 1 week a month, do a tip segment and use the animated video with an audio clip to share a daily tip.
Reduce the amount of stress in your life. Believe it or not, sometimes overeating can be directly related to stressful situations. We have a tendency of reaching for that bag of chips or bar of chocolate whenever we feel stressed out. So take a look at some of the areas in your life that may be creating additional stress.
As you can see now, there are so many different creative ways that you can incorporate this audio clip into your promotions. Really, there is no limit to what you can do. So now let's move on to talking about how to create your animated video. There are 2 components to this animated video, your audio clip and your graphics. So now let's talk about how we do each one of those and then merge them together. Let's start with the audio. Now, you guys know I'm a big proponent of using what you got. So let's go ahead and use whatever already comes programmed on your smartphones. If you have an iPhone, it's probably something like Voice Memos. And if you have an Android, you probably have a voice recorder on there. Now, there are other apps in case you don't like the way those apps sound for whatever reason. You can download something like a smart recorder, and that works really well. I recommend that you guys have a script lined up, already know what you're going to say, practice it a couple times so it doesn't sound like you're reading it, and then go ahead and record it. And if you have to record it a couple times, go ahead and do that too. There really is no limit to how many times you can practice. Once you have your final audio clip done and recorded, go ahead and email it to yourself or figure out a way to get it onto your laptop or computer. So you can either do that by uploading it to your iCloud or to your Google Drive, or simply just emailing the file to yourself. You're going to want to be able to go onto your computer, either your laptop or desktop, and download it so then you can access it whenever you're putting it all together with your graphic. All right, so now for the graphics portion of this, you're going to want to go to wave.co. Now, Wave has 2 V's. Wave is one of the easiest and most cost-efficient platforms that you can use to create these animated videos with the audio already embedded. As a side note, you can use wave.co for free. However, there are stipulations to the free version. As with anything else, it does only allow you 60 seconds worth of audio per month, and it also has the wave.co branding on the video, so that's going to look something like this. Not super intrusive, but if you don't want their branding on the video and you plan to do more than 60 seconds worth of audio per month, then you can pay the $10 per month for their alpha plan. And of course, there are other options as well, so be sure to check out what is really best suited for you. All right, so back to making your graphic. Once you've logged into your account, go ahead and select the Create function right here on the left-hand panel. There are going to be two portions to this. First, you're going to create the design, and second, you're going to upload the audio. So be sure that you have both of those ready. Now, here's the thing with the design. You have two options. You can either go ahead and create a design from scratch, which is really easy to do because they have a drag and drop feature, so it's not complicated. I would encourage you to go ahead and play around with that. Or you could just start with the template. I would do this one for the first time just because you want to just come in here and, substitute some of the templates that they already have. Notice that they have a couple different options. These options are based on how you want to use this image and audio. So if you want to upload it to Facebook or Instagram, you're going to want something that is more of this as far as dimensions, right? More square. More rectangular is going to be for your IGTV and Facebook stories, and it tells you that down here. So select the option based on what you want to use this image and audio for. I'm going to select this one. I had already created an image in Canva, and I have it available on my computer, so I'm going to upload that image. It's a very simple image that just says fitness tips on there. The headline is going to be the text that appears above the image, and I am just going to replace that. Instead of motherhood, it only looks good, it only looks easy on Instagram. I'm going to put turn up your volume to hear my tip. And I don't want a pink background. Instead, I'm going to go with black. Confirm, and then do generate template. It really is that easy. It's going to show you your template right here. Notice if it's added a waveform. Waveform are those really interesting audio or video aspects that show that there's audio associated with this particular photo. So it kind of cues the follower to turn up their volume because they can tell that you're talking right here. I like this image. I'm going to hit save. Then it's going to say, hey, upload your audio. Remember, my audio has already been recorded and it sounds just the way I want. So I'm opening it up. I can preview my audio right here.
Reduce the amount of stress in your life.
And notice I can actually change when it starts and when it stops, but you can't really come in and clip it very many different ways. That's why you want to be sure that your audio is sounding the way you want before you even get to this part of the process. I like that entire clip for my audio, so I'm going to hit generate video. Okay, my video is now complete. Notice if I hit view, I can play the video.
Reduce the amount of stress in your life.
I think that sounds great. And from here, I can download it or add captions. You can also download it from right here. If you don't click view, just select this right here, this down arrow, and hit download. What it does is it will download it to your computer, and now you guys simply go to your Facebook page and upload it just like you would any other video. That's it right there. And open. And then I type nice Facebook post here. And I'm good to go. I hit post. One of the other things I wanted to show you though is that if you come over here and hit new design, let's say we create from scratch. I don't have a design already made. You select what you want to use it for. And you can still, right here, select templates, or you can come in and play around with adding text. And then also the same thing with your image. So you can upload an image. Let's say I want to use, I don't know, something like that. So you can play around with it all kinds of different ways, and it's just as easy. You hit save, and it says, hey, you don't have a waveform. So they really want you to add a waveform, which is right here. And there are different selections for it. So that's one of them. It's more of a circular. You can do the traditional dots. You can do a frame. So let's see what this frame looks like right here. I'm going to do that. I'm going to move my image up a little and move the frame over. Move my text down. All right, so let's see what this one looks like right there. Save. All right, so notice it's going to add an element of a box kind of pulsing, and that's going to match up with the audio that I upload. Then I go through and select my audio. So there really is a ton that you can do. Go ahead, play around, and see what you like doing best. All right, so that'll do it for us today. Now, don't forget that if you like this video, every Monday I release a video just like this one that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. You'll also want to check out my website at www.theseasonmarketer.com because I have all of my previous videos uploaded there, and I have a couple freebies for you as well. So if you want more resources and tips, go check out my website. Now, thanks again for tuning in to another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week. Same time and place.